So welcome to probably the best investment you can make in Australia today. A 9-studio unit in Victoria with an income of up to $160,000 a year, plus a massive capital growth upside once it's completed. And I'm going to run through with you exactly the land that it's going to be built on, the style of the outside look, what it's going to look like, and also the interiors and what the furnishing and the studios actually look like with their beautiful courtyard. So let's get straight in there. I'm here on site at 25 Roderick Drive in Kurrajong near Melton. As you can see, lovely street. It's an infill block. All the properties here well established, and it's a really nice quiet street. And here we have a block that is actually 738 square meters, which is absolutely ideal for building one of those co-living properties because it is wide, it is flat. You're going to have nice big courtyards for everybody. Existing fence is already done, so we don't have to pay for that. And we've got plenty of space here because it's a beautiful block. Look at this size of it. This is going to be one of the best investments you can make. 9 incomes at around $300 to $400 in rent, and which adds up to about $160,000 per year income right from this one property. These houses on either side of me, you're not going to get more than about $35,000, $40,000 a year in rent. This one will get about $150,000 to $160,000 a year. Okay, so now this is exactly the same design that we're going to be building on 25 Roderick Drive. These two properties here are exactly the same design, exactly the same interiors as what we are proposing to build on that block of land in 25 Roderick Drive in Kurrajong. Now both of these have actually made $500,000 profit for the initial investor. You've got lots of parking out the front. Now this was actually a double block split in two. We were obviously just going to build one building, but they've got courtyards on the side. You've got, everyone's got a private courtyard, plus the 2 back units have much bigger courtyards, which is exactly the same thing we want to do at Kurrajong in Roderick Drive. Right, but there's plenty of parking here, minimal landscaping, so you don't have a lot of maintenance on these. A choice of this like textured stone facade. Right, this looks like these are tiles that on the front, very nice. Look, again, brick construction, nice, aluminium fencing. And then over here you got the timber look. So you really got a choice of what facade possibly we can build on that site in Roderick Drive, but both of these are very attractive from a tenant's and appeal point of view, and also future resale value if you ever choose to resell that property. This is the actual property, the common area with the lounge. You can see the common kitchen with the laundry there as well. There's going to be a fridge coming in. There you can see a close-up of that common area kitchen with all the cupboards for all the different tenancies. That's actual private apartment now, one of the units inside there. There's a close-up of the bed and the lounge area and also the wardrobe. You can see they all have a courtyard as well, private courtyard with each one of these units. There has to be one disabled unit in each one of these properties. So that's the disabled one. This is another example of the courtyard ones, courtyard apartments, another close-up of the bed there. And there we have the close-up of the kitchen and a bathroom, one of the bathrooms in the 9 studios. Another angle of the bathroom in the 9 studios. And that's one of the courtyards in one of the back ones, the bigger courtyards. And that's the car parking and the front area. The block goes all the way up to the back here. Right? So look at the space. We're going to have a car park at the front, parking at the front, and we're going to have courtyards here at the back. And then we've got an easement at the back as well, which is perfect for, have a bit of a green space at the back as well. So this could be your next opportunity to make a fantastic investment. The last property here sold for over $1.6 million once it was built and completed. And you can certainly get this property for a lot less than that. Right, fully turnkey, completed, including furniture, everything. So have a look at this and give me a call and let's discuss how you could make this your next best investment you could ever make.
Good day.
if you're looking to invest in a high-income property in the next 3 to 12 months, and whether that's buying an existing property, building a new one from existing plans, or developing land you may already own, then my team and I at Sun Property Institute would love to help you. What we're offering is a free one-on-one strategy session where we'll map out exactly where you are now, right, and where you want to be, and outline the best possible high return and capital growth property options to help you get there faster. Some of the things we'll walk you through is like which property types and strategies are best for income, tax benefits, capital growth, paying your mortgage faster, the best cities, suburbs, areas for future capital growth and returns, and how you can build a property portfolio that could retire you within 10 to 15 years, starting from as little as $70,000 investment. Now, just go to www.Sun Property Institute to book that session and just click the button on that website to get your free strategy session, or there's a link near this video. If there's a link there, then just click that link. And look at our website. You can also get a copy of a download of some of the books you can see behind me that I have written on property investing, and they're also there on our website. Now, you can take all that information and look, you can run with it and do it all on your own. Or if you like what you see and there is a fit between us, then we can work together with you to help you reach your goals. And either way, you'll learn how to invest smarter with less risk and build your financial freedom with more confidence. So book that call now and book yourself in that session. And either way, best of investing success.